power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat in ivory white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, running boards, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 5.0-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5170A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.